Right, so this is the setup page, and you would have we have gone through the process of binding the API. We've bind the API. We've also done the aspect of funding our wallet. We've done the aspect of funding the wallet, with gas. So our gas fee is there for those using point cards. You would have also seen your point card there funded. You've bought it and it's there right there on your boat. So the next thing is to set up your boat to commence trading. This account has actually been activated for some trades. You can see it has APE, Suchi, Sheep, Dodge, coin already trading on it. So, but I'm going to do a setup now just for the sake of explanation so that you know how these setups are done, and of course how it will also show on your Binance account when you're done. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just look for another coin. There's an Excel sheet that we also have. That Excel sheet is also important that you have. Right below this video, we are going to see the Excel sheet on a link. Just click on it to tell you the different coins, and also based on your capital they are starting with a minimum of $100 and $120. $100 or $120, you can get started. So on that Excel sheet, you see the coins that you can choose and how to do the setup. I'm going to practically show you how to do this. So once you come here, you click on futures, this middle button, you click on market, then you look for the coin based on that Excel sheet. For now, I just want to add ADA to the list of my coin. Do I have it here already? No. So I'm just going to add ADA to it now. ADA is also a cryptocurrency. So I'm going to just click on ADA. Then I'll go to, once I click on the coin, let me go back again so that it's not confusing. You come to futures, this middle button, then you click on market. You click on market. On the market, we're going to see the list of all the coins. So let's say I want to pick on ADA. I'll just click on ADA this way. Once I come down here, it's going to load this page. I'll go straight down and I click on settings. You understand? So settings will take me straight to this page. So what I now need to do is to set my first order size. I will set my position. I'll set my stop loss and take profit. Only these four things are important that you do. I go over it again. First order size, the position, the stop loss, and the take profit. Very simple. Once you are done with that, you are good to go. So for the first order size, depending on your capital, like now I'm going to be working this, I'm going to be setting this up now with a minimum of the $120 or $100. So even if it's $100 you are starting with, please, your first order size must be $12. You know why? Because on Binance, the minimum order you can place on Binance Future is $10, but there's also is little small fees of around 10 points, let's say around 30 cents or 20 cents thereabout, for your position staying in the market, for as long as, of course, when the market movement will happen to profit. So that's why we usually advise you start as your first order size for your $100 or $12 accounts with 12. So you put in the $12 here. So let me change 12. 1, 2. I have it right here. So the types of strategy, you are going to see multiplication. I leave it on AI strategy. Don't change. The leverage, let it be on 20. Don't change it. The position, which is the second thing you must factor in, you click on long and short, because this is a hedging strategy backed up with a layered martingale strategy. In one of the videos also too that you'll have watched, I explained that strategy. So that's why we use long and short. So for the stop loss is always your first order size times 30. So this is what I would do. My first order size is 12 times 30. So that means my stop loss should be $360. I go back to my app and I will just tap there. I'm going to just type 36. That is $360. Take profit is permanently 10,000. 10,000. Of course, if you have bigger capital, there's another setup for it. Once you have like above $10,000, I will also tell you how to do the setup. But this is just from $100 to as high as $10,000. This is the same method you just use in imputing your setup. If it's, let's say, $1,000 you have now, what you now need to put in your first order size would be 10% of your 1,000. If you're 1,000, if you're starting with $1,000, that means 10% of it is going to be how much? That will be $100. So that's your $100 now. You will now spread it on like 4 or 5 coins. So if you are using $1,000, that means you can trade like up to 4 or 5 coins. If you are trading $100, it's just only one coin. If you are trading with $200, $300, you can spread you can spread it into 2 or 3 coins. How you just do, you just use this formation of 12, 12, 12, 12. So that means 100 divided by 12. You can actually, that means you can spread, if you are starting with $1,000 and 10% of it is 100, that means you can divide it by 12. You can spread on like 8 coins. But what I advise is that for you to maximize it very well, just divide it by 4 or 5. Just spread $25 each on 4 coins so that you can get good results. You understand? So for such, now for example, if it's $25 on your first coin, that means your stop loss will be 25 times 30, which is $750. You understand? If it's a $10,000 account, just multiply it, get your 10%. Your 10% is 1,000, right? So you are going to be spreading this 1,000. Let's say I want to spread it on 10 coins. You understand? That will mean I'm going to be trading with $100 each per coin. So $100 each per coin, that means my stop loss will be 100 times 30, which is $3,000. You understand? So that's how you do the setup for this, in order for you to know what to impute on each one of these. So your total take profit is permanently $10,000. So once you are done, you don't check any other thing here. Just leave it this way and you click on confirm. Let's click on confirm. You can see it shows operation succeeded. So the next thing is for you to start it up. This setup you've imputed, you need to start it. To do that, just click on start, confirm. You do it twice. The first one, I'll go again, click on start, I'll confirm again. Immediately I do it the second time, you can see this start has changed to stop. So as that is there, I'm done with the setup. So once I've done it, I will now go to activated coins. You see it right here. This is it now, you can see. So this exact coin now would have been triggered in my Binance. To reconfirm my settings, I'll just click on it. Let's go down. I'll click on my settings and I'll be able to see exactly what I can see. 12,360 is correct, all fine. And also if I click on back, you see it's still showing stop. You can see the first order side 12 and every other thing is still very, very intact. So to confirm it fully, I will just go straight to my Binance. I'll come straight to my Binance right here. Wallet. It's like Binance, I go to my wallet section. You understand? Under spot, I have something like that. I will just go straight to futures. So I click on futures, you're going to be seeing every of the positions you've opened. So like I've actually opened Suchi, Dodge, Ape previously, and now you can see the other I just added. Now you can see it just instantly showed up right here. I have 1,000 or so, 1,000 SHIB already running previously, but this is the one I just triggered. You can see, so it has further confirmed that yes, my API binding is correct, my gas fee is okay, and of course I have set up my coin on the boat and it has instantly showed up on my Binance. So this continues like this, and per time you always see your wallet balance, this section increasing, or if you want to do it where you can click on the PNN analysis. I'm going to show you this in another video on how to withdraw your profit, how to see your profit, and of course how to maximize all the income fully right here in COINTECH2U for you. Thank you so much. I hope this is clear. If you need further clarification, of course, you have my WhatsApp, my WhatsApp phone number right below this video. You can always call me or you can always chat me up for more clarification. Thank you so much. God bless.